Trivia Quiz Train presents Are You Smarter Than a Fifth Grader? Earth and Nature Part 1. Can you and your kids answer the next questions correctly? Question 1. What gas do humans need to breathe? And the answer is oxygen. Question number 2. What is the main source of energy for Earth? And the answer is the sun. Question 3. What part of a plant makes food? Answer: the leaves. Question number 4. What do we call animals that eat only plants? And the answer is herbivores. Question 5. What is the largest mammal on Earth? The answer is the blue whale. How many did you get right? Thank you for watching and follow us for many more fun quizzes. Bye-bye.